Right, so now we're going to work on distance, speed, and time, and we're going to do the next exercise. I can read even though you can't see, so don't worry too much. I'll read it for you. Okay, so we're going to go now to the triangle. That's distance, that's speed, and that is time. This is a dividing line. This is a multiplication line. Now, why do I write it like that? You get different formulas, three different formulas to work out the different stuff. So this is what you're going to do. Let's work on distance first. So if we are saying distance is equal to, then I want you to take out distance. Okay, block out distance. All right. Now what do you have left? You've got that distance is equal to speed times time. Am I correct?
Yes, miss.
Right. So I don't want to take that away. So it is speed times, Jesus, me and my errors. It's been a long day. I've been tutoring since this morning. Speed times time. Okay. Now the next one, we want to look at speed. Right? So we're going to take speed out. Now what do we have? Speed is equal to what?
Ti- um, time.
No. So
Mm,
here's distance. Can you see the dividing thing there?
yes, miss.
Distance over time. So you write it like that. Speed is equal to distance over time. Okay. Now we're going to look for the T. Time is equal to what?
Speed.
No, no, no. There's two things in the triangle.
Is it distance?
Yes, distance what?
Over distance. No,
No,
distance over time.
no.
No,
What's the other one?
distance over speed.
That's it. Let's just, where did I get this? Okay, so it is time is equal to distance over speed. Can you see that? How easy that is to find the formulas.
Yes, miss.
Okay, once you know that, you don't have a problem. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Let's do the first one. Uh, there, I've given you the formula, and you don't have to now refer there. What is the difference in the time it took for Gift Kele, whatever, to win the men's comrades in 5 hours, 38 seconds, and 38 minutes and 36 seconds, and the time it took for, okay. So, the way you do, what is the difference in the time it took? So difference is what kind of sum? Difference, how do you calculate difference?
A division. No,
Mm-mm.
that's distance.
No difference.
I don't know.
Okay, so you've got what is the sum? What is the difference? What is the product? Do you remember that from primary school?
I don't even think we did that.
Okay, so this is the answer. The sum is an answer to a plus sum. The difference is the answer to a minus. The product is the answer to a multiplication. And the quotient is an answer to a divided by. Okay, so they're saying the difference. What type of sum must it be? A
Um,
minus.
yes.
Right, so now we're going to subtract the times. They're asking what is the difference in time it took for the marathon. 20, that's 5:38:26, and this is 6:12:22. So we're gonna say 6:12:22. Okay, this is for 2015 race. Then we're going to subtract 5:38:36. 5:38:36. Okay? Now we need to work out, this is for the 20, oh, it's also 2015 race. They're all 2015 race, right? But that's the difference between the two people. Now, you can't, 22 is smaller than 36. So you've got, now this we know, this is hours, this is minutes, and these are seconds, right? So now, let me just take this slightly down, and then take all of this away from that top one. Okay, I can take it here. Just, I don't want to confuse you. All right. So, this is what you see here. Hours, minutes, and seconds. Now, when you want to, when your seconds on the top is less than this at the bottom, you've got to go borrow, right? In a normal subtraction sum, you've got to go borrow. Am I right? Kaydee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you're not just borrowing one. If you do borrow one, so you're borrowing one, this becomes 11. But you're borrowing 1 minute. So how many minutes how many seconds in a minute? You're actually taking 60 seconds over. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
By borrowing 1 minute, you're taking 60 seconds over. So now it becomes 60 seconds plus 22, which is 82 minutes. Now you can subtract on your calculator. 82 minutes minus 36 minutes. This here, 36 here. And you're left with 46. Sorry, this shouldn't be seconds. This should be shouldn't be minutes. This should be seconds. Because you're working with seconds here. Right, you see that?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now you've got the same thing. 11 minus 38. But 11 is too small to subtract 38. So now you're going to borrow an hour. That now becomes 5 hours. This becomes 60 minutes for that 1 hour plus 11. So in total, it actually becomes 71 minutes. So now 71 can minus 38. And you got 33 minutes there. 33 minutes. Do you understand what I'm doing here by carrying over?
Yes, miss.
Okay, cool. And now 5 hours and 5 hours. So therefore, that's a 0. So the difference is 33 minutes and 46 seconds. That is the answer to the first question. This one here. Okay? You've got it there in a
Yes,
book
ma'am.
or in your notes, right? So that is how you work out this. So the answer to this is 0 hours, 33 minutes, and 46 seconds. Right. What distance could a cheetah cover if it was running at 110 kilometers per hour for 3 minutes? Okay. What distance would it cover? So now the cheetah covers 110 kilometers per hour in 3 minutes. Right? Now they're asking what distance would it cover? So you use this conversion method, this one here. If they doing 110 kilometers per hour in 3 minutes, how many kilometers per hour will it be in 3 minutes 46 seconds? That's this year. Right? You understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Uh, sorry, wait. What distance could a cheetah cover if it was running? Mm. Oh no, I'm being silly. Sorry. The two sums do not correspond. The two sums don't correspond. Okay. So if the cheetah, this is how you must do it. This is how it must do it. What are you given? You are given that a cheetah runs 110 kilometers in 1 hour. Right, there we go. Can you see there? This is this here. It is 110 kilometers in 1 hour. You understand that?
Yes, miss.
Now they're asking, now how much will it cover in 3 minutes? But now 3 minutes, that's what it's asking. But we can't put hours and minutes. We must put hours and hours or minutes and minutes. So what would you rewrite this as? To either bring this to minutes or that to hours. So it's 110 kilometers is therefore equal to how many minutes or how many hours. So if we take this hours to minutes, how many minutes will there be?
60.
That's correct. So actually this tiger or cheetah, if you write it in hours, he does 110 kilometers in 1 hour. But 1 hour is 60 minutes, so he also does 110 kilometers in 60 minutes. You understand that?
Yes, miss.
Now we're going to do 3 minutes. So now can you see we're talking minutes and minutes, apples and apples. You get me? They
Yes,
want the
miss.
they want the answer in kilometers. So you must change the one to the other. All right. Now, here's that method. So now you go on this side. The other time we were going on the left. Now we're going to go on this side. So you divide up and you, thank you so much, Collins. You multiply down. Do you understand this about divide up and multiply down?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So therefore, your sum now is written 3 divided by 60 times 110. 3 divided by 60 equals to times 110. And it gives you 5,5 kilometers. That is your answer. Right, do you understand? And if you don't
Yes, Miss.
understand, what don't you understand?
I do understand.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to save this and then I'm going to do it again because I want to start a clean one, okay? So file, save as JPEG. And this is, what's this now? Time conversions. Weighted speed. Okay, let's do this. I'll put memo. Right, so there, then I'll send it to you afterwards. Oh, sure, but did I record? Yes, I did. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the next one, number 3. Let's just go and clear all of this because I've already saved it. I just need space to write. Okay. Question is, how long would it take the Eurostar train to travel 5, oh, you know what? Let me just undo quickly. We took away our formulas. I don't want to take away the formulas and I must rewrite it. Leave that there. Okay. So let's get started again. How long will it take the Eurostar? Now, how long? They are asking for time, which means this is our formula that we must use. Okay, let's see. To travel from the distance of 545 kilometers from Frankfurt to Berlin, if its average speed is 300 kilometers per hour. Give your answer in hours and minutes. Okay, let's do the first part first. We see this is the formula we must use. So we're going to say time in hours. Oh wait, they're saying they want it in hours and minutes. So leave it for now. Time is equal to distance. We can see the formula there, so I don't have to write it again. So what is the distance? It is 545 kilometers. Okay, so it's 545 kilometers over 300 kilometers per hour, which is the speed. 300 kilometers per hour. You understand that so far? Kaydee?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, do you understand that?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, we're just taking it from this triangle that we did before. All right? So now it is 545 divided by 300 is 1 comma. Okay, now they want the answer in hours and minutes. 1,81666 is equal to 1,81667. Let's do it like that. This is hours. How do we know that it's hours? Because time is in hours, right? And here's another way that we know. If here's a kilometer, I take that out, it cancels because it's divided by each other, I'm left with hours. That's how I know that I got the right formula as well. So now we need to say they want it in hours and minutes. So it's 1 hour. And then we must convert, let's do it here, convert 0,8 because we took the 1 away, right? Of the 1,81. 0,81. It's the portion of the hour. 6667. Now we are converting hours to minutes. Hours to minutes. What do we do there? If we go hours to minutes, there's your H, there's your M, there's your S.
Times 60.
Correct. Hours to minutes. Fantastic. So you times by 60 and you get an answer. You can actually leave that in there and just times it by 60 and you get 109 minutes. They didn't say seconds, otherwise you'd have to take off 60 here and put 49 seconds, but they didn't ask for seconds, so it's just 109 minutes. So your final answer here is 1 hour and 109 minutes. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Awesome. We got 10 minutes left and then I must love and leave you because I got class at 7 and I must still cook. Calculate the average speed of a biker. So now they want speed. Let's do this. This is the speed formula. Okay? Speed is equal to distance over. There. Speed is equal to distance over time. So let's do this. So calculate the average speed of a biker if it takes 45 minutes to travel. So now they are saying 60, 1, 2, 3 meters, because speed is equal to distance over time, right? So distance is 60,000 meters and time is 45 minutes. But we know that distance is measured in kilometers. So we must convert meters to kilometers first. And time is measured in hours. So we must convert 45 minutes to hours. You see that?
Yes, Miss.
Cool. Now, let's do that other conversion table. You get kilometers, uh, meters, kilometers, meters, centimeters, millimeters. Okay, so now we are doing from meters to kilometers. So we're going meters to kilometers. Do we multiply? We're going that way. Do we multiply or divide?
No, you divide.
Correct. So you're going to divide by what? Now we know that, wait, we know that this one is divided by 10. This one is divided by 100. This one is divided by 1,000. So we are doing 60,000 meters divided by 1,000 is equal to how many kilometers? Is it, let me just make sure, 60,000, yes. So you can either do it on your calculator or you can just cancel
That's
your
60.
zeros. 60 kilometers, well done. Now let's do the time conversion. 45 minutes to hours. So from minutes, wait. So your that jumping method thing is hours, minutes, seconds. You're
That's
going
divided by 60.
correct, minutes to hours. Fantastic. So you're saying divided by 60 gives you 0.75, I think.
Yes.
Yes. So 0.75 hours. So now you add these two together. No. No, that's it. Sorry. Now we've got that and we've got that for our formula. So our formula is, let me write it in a different color. Speed is equal to distance over time, which therefore is equal to distance is 60 kilometers over 0.75 hours. 60 divided by 0.75, 80. Your answer is 80 kilometers per hour. You understand?
Yes, Miss.
So this answer is 80 kilometers per hour. And that's it. What where do you need me to just help you a little bit quickly, or are you okay?
I'm okay, Miss.
That's fantastic. I'm happy. Don't forget, you cannot, in any conversion, you can't do kilometers and meters in the same equation. You can't do rands and cents. It must be rands and rands, cents and cents, kilometers and kilometers, hours and hours. You can't do hours and minutes. All right. So I taught you two methods now of calculating um, what you call it, conversion methods. It's
Thank
this one,
you.
it's this one here, and it's that other plus method. You know, the divide up, multiply down.
Yes, Miss.
You okay, my sweetheart?
Yes, Miss.
All right, so I'm going to stop this recording. Then I'm